Hi guys, Bea here, and in this video we're going to talk about selling online. So if you want to sell your goods online, no matter if they're physical or digital goods, you have to build an e-commerce site or you have to rely on a third-party platform. And if it's your first time, you're a beginner, you've never sold online before, you might have lots of questions like what are the differences among all these platforms? What's the difference between building my own e-commerce site or relying on a third-party platform? How easy or difficult is it to manage, or which platform suits me best? This video is a review, a full guide of the most popular online selling platforms. These platforms are WooCommerce, Prestashop, Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, eBay, Wix, and AliExpress. So we're going to compare all these platforms among them. We're going to get a closer look at each of them and see what they offer and all the pros and cons. And for this, we're going to talk about the following features. Coding knowledge. Do I need to learn HTML, CSS, or other programming languages? Store setup. How hard is it to set up your online shop in this platform? Does it have a hard or easy learning curve? Pricing and cost. How much does it cost to use this platform? Hosting and maintenance fees. Can I host my site on my own server? How much will it cost a month or year to host my site with them? Help and support. Where can I search for information or tutorials when I need help? Selling fees. How much will I be charged per sale? Full site property. Does my shop run on my own domain and hosting? Where can I sell? Can I sell my products internationally, or is there any restriction? Types of products that you can sell. We're talking about physical products and or digital products. Marketplace size. Do the platforms have their own marketplace, and can you find customers only by publishing your products? We're going to talk about all these features in each platform. So let's go with the first one, WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a free plugin that integrates seamlessly with WordPress, the most popular and powerful CMS. And according to Built With, WooCommerce is the most popular e-commerce platform. No coding knowledge is required, as WooCommerce has lots of free and premium extensions, and it's also compatible with other WordPress free plugins that will help you enhance your online shop. When you install WooCommerce, an installation wizard pops up. This will help you set up the store easily. If you're familiar with WordPress, then you will easily learn how to manage your shop. WooCommerce and WordPress are free, so no fees will be charged. This is the best low-cost solution. About the hosting, you can host your site in your own server, so you will just be charged whatever plan you've chosen. WooCommerce has a huge and growing community all over the world. You can find documentation on their site. Also, there's an active forum in WordPress.org, and you can find also a whole bunch of tutorials on YouTube. WooCommerce runs on your WordPress site, so you will have full control of everything. Also, you won't have any selling fees. You can sell your products locally, nationally, or worldwide, as you have full control of your site. It's up to you and how you want to manage your shop. In WooCommerce, you can sell physical products, digital products, subscriptions, and even affiliate products. There is no marketplace. You will need to promote your own online shop so your potential customers will find you. You have two options in Prestashop. On one hand, you have the open source platform that you can download for free and you install it in your domain. On the other hand, you have what's called Prestashop Ready, which was launched not long ago. And this is more beginner orientated, and you will need to subscribe to a monthly plan. Coding knowledge is not required, but if you have zero Prestashop experience, then you'll probably need help from a web designer, or you'll spend lots of time in their support forum. It's easy to set up. You install it in your hosting like WordPress, but it can be harder to customize. In this case, I would consider hiring an experienced developer or web designer, as they would know which modules or add-ons work best for your shop. Prestashop is free, although Prestashop Ready costs $19.90 a month. Also, another thing to take into account is that most integrations are pricey. You can host your site on your own server, but if you choose Prestashop Ready, then you must host your site with them starting from $19.90. You can find documentation, a blog on their website. Also, there are lots of tutorials on YouTube. But if you want direct support from their support team, then you need to purchase a plan. Whenever you sell a product, no selling fees are charged. When you download Prestashop, then you install it into your domain. You can sell your products worldwide. It just depends on how you want to manage your shop. And also in Prestashop, you can sell digital products, physical products, subscriptions, and also affiliate products. There is no marketplace, so you need to find ways to drive traffic to your site. Shopify is an all-in-one solution that is great for beginners that don't want to spend that much time in development or don't want to hire a professional. No coding skills are needed, and setting up your shop is super easy. You also get free stock images to fill your shop with pictures if you still don't have your own product pictures. Shopify plans start from $9 a month just for the Shopify button to $299 a month for big businesses. When you purchase any of the Shopify plans, hosting and maintenance fees are included. There's an official YouTube channel with lots of videos, and also other users create how-to tutorials. There's a forum and more community resources in their official site. Shopify has selling and transaction fees, so you have two options. You can use Shopify Payments or other provider. What's the difference? If you choose Shopify Payments, then you will be charged credit card rates. It's 2.2% plus 30 cents, and no transaction fees are charged. And if you choose any other provider than Shopify Payments, then you will be charged the same credit card rates plus a transaction fee. If you purchase the $9 a month plan for the Shopify button, you can sell your products in other platforms like Wix, Squarespace, or WordPress. If you choose any other plan, then you must host your site with them. You can sell your products worldwide, and you have the option to sell physical products, digital products, subscriptions, and affiliate products too. There is no marketplace, so you need to find ways to get noticed by customers and search engines. Wix is another all-in-one platform that offers a website builder, e-commerce plans, and a hosting. If you are a beginner, Wix is an option for you. No coding skills are required, and setting up your shop is super easy. You start from one of their templates, you can customize it, and Wix makes it really simple and easy for people with no experience at all. There are different e-commerce plans that would depend on how big your business is, and it starts from $17 a month to $35 a month. Hosting and maintenance fees are already included in this price. You can find all the documentation on their site and tutorials on YouTube. There are no selling fees, and you will run your online shop on your domain, but you must host your site with them. You can sell your products worldwide, but Wix has some country restrictions that prohibit sending money or doing businesses with certain countries. You can check the list of these restricted countries on their site. You can sell digital products, physical products, subscriptions, and affiliate products too. And also, there is no marketplace, so you need to promote your site to increase your sales. Amazon is the largest online retailer where you can literally buy anything, from physical books to ebooks to clothes to electronics. It has grown so much since it was created. They have their own brand. They have even taken over other brands, and they offer individuals to list their products and start selling online. No coding skills are required, and there's not really a store set up. So what you do is you create a seller's account and you upload the products that you want to sell to your listing. There are two plans. The individual plan has no monthly fee, and the professional plan costs $39.99 a month. And no hosting is required to sell on Amazon. About the selling fees, they are different if you are an individual seller or a professional seller. Individual sellers are sellers that sell up to 40 items a month. They pay 99 cents for each item sold on Amazon, plus a percentage fee based on category. Professional sellers are the ones that sell more than 40 items a month. They don't have to pay the 99 cents per item, but they have the percentage fee based on category. Your products will be listed on Amazon. As an idea, if you have a site, you can create an online shop with products that link to your Amazon products, so Amazon will handle all the payment. Amazon has 13 marketplaces around the world, so if you subscribe to the professional plan, then you can sell your products in these marketplaces. In Amazon, you can sell digital products and physical products. If you don't have your own products, you might consider joining the Amazon affiliate program and get a sales commission by selling on your website any product listed on Amazon. Amazon ranks first as the best online marketplace with buying customers in 180 countries. Etsy is an e-commerce platform focused on handmade, crafts, vintage, and unique items. It's a marketplace for creative goods. No coding skills are required, and as Etsy is a third-party platform that unites sellers all over the world, you don't have to set up your store. You just have to upload the items that you want to sell into your account. There's no monthly plan and no hosting or maintenance fees are charged. You can find documentation on Etsy's official website and tutorials on YouTube from other sellers that show you how to upload your products and start selling online in this platform, and also how to increase your sales. Etsy charges listing fees per item. It's 20 cents per item each 4 months, and also transactional fees per item, that's around 5%. If you open a shop on Etsy, then your shop will be run on Etsy and your domain will look something like www.etsy/shop/your-shop-name or yourshopname.etsy.com. You have the option to sell your products worldwide, but shipping fees can be expensive. You can sell digital products and physical products as long as it's handmade, crafty, vintage, and unique, or at least that's what Etsy says. Etsy is a big marketplace. In 2018, it had more than 35 million active buyers, and this number keeps growing. eBay is an online shopping site that is most famous for its auctions. Anybody can buy or sell anything on eBay: electronics, clothes, second-hand items, video games. It's the place where you can find things that you cannot find anywhere else. No coding skills are required, and if you want to sell on eBay, you just have to create an account and upload your products. There's no monthly plan nor hosting and maintenance fees. You can find documentation on eBay. Also, other sites and blogs talk about how you can sell your products here, and also lots of videos on YouTube from other sellers. eBay has 2 selling fees: an insertion fee when you list your item. The amount depends on the price of the item, category, and the format, and a final value fee when your item is sold. It's a percentage of the total amount of sale that depends on the product. If you sell products on eBay, then your shop will be run on eBay too. You can sell worldwide, but first you need to meet eBay requirements. Some of these requirements are offering PayPal as a payment method and having earned 10 feedback points as a seller. eBay is great because you can sell anything. You can sell any physical product like clothes, electronics. You can sell digital products like tickets, domain names, software product keys, and online gaming items. But careful, eBay has specific rules for digital downloads that sellers must follow. And the marketplace is huge. eBay is one of the largest internet companies in the US and has more than 170 million active users. AliExpress is an online retailer based in China that was created in 2010. It's made up of small businesses based in China, offering a wide variety of consumer products worldwide. No coding skills are needed, and you need to be a Chinese registered company to open a store in AliExpress and qualify as a seller. AliExpress charges a fixed $1,500 fee to start selling. It's expensive, but this is to avoid scammer accounts and to keep their rating system real. There are no hosting and maintenance fees. About help and support, you can't find much in English on their site, But if you speak Chinese or Russian, I guess that you will be luckier and you'll understand more than I did. AliExpress charges from 5% to 8% of the transaction value. Your shop will run on AliExpress, not on your domain, and you can sell any physical product worldwide. AliExpress marketplace is gigantic. It's the 33rd most visited website in the world and receives more than 200 million visits a month. As you can see, there are many options. In my opinion, you should think about what experience you've got. How do you want to manage your shop? If you want to run it on your domain, or if you don't mind a third-party platform doing that for you. If you can afford a monthly pricing, and if you don't mind selling fees, how you're going to promote your products, and above all, whatever appeals to you most. I hope this video of the most popular selling platforms helps you decide where you want to sell online. It would be great if you guys could share your experience in the comments below. If you've already built an online shop using one of these platforms, what is your opinion about them? And if you have any comments and doubts, please also post them in the comment section below this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this so you get notified and you won't miss any of them. See you guys next time. Thank you for watching.